Mabuhay. I'm Alexi. Please join my YouTube channel. At this moment, we are going to take our lunch after a long hour. After a long hours of general cleaning in our church. Kauban ako mga ka-churchmate. Ito ang Madam President sa Women. Hi, Beth.
Hi, Ned.
Isang deacon, Kuya Pat. Kuya Pat. Kuya Pat. Gigutom nami. This is our time to take lunch together. Gutom nami. Ang sudana mo is ribs with pitsay, native pitsay. Ito. This one.
Nag-try ako?
Wow, lami ang ribs, tabang lang. Tulog asin.
Baka nag-asin.
Tabang. Okay lang yon, my dear followers, my subscribers, my friends. Okay lang yung tabang At least nag-enjoy ko sa food. Nag-enjoy ko sa maski tabang. Napo ko bihon. Oto, this is bihon. Napoy cook.
Inonoy, napakwan. Ganyan.
Nag-general cleaning me this morning just because preparations for tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow manggod will be our 71st annual anniversary in our church. That's why we are here for general cleaning. Nag-prepared kami sa sitting, sa church, sa sanctuary, for lunch. So, need na mo mag-ready, mag-prepare. Den, kain, lunch na Den. Rodel. Rodel. Lunch na. Tulab. Ang akong sudan, usbon ako. Ribs. Bihon. Rice. Makoy ko. This entire week or this weekend, grabe kahektik ako ang schedule, busy kay ko. But I have always time to pray for everyone, to pray for my subscribers, my friends, my followers. I've always wish all of you good health, abundant blessings, and I wish you happiness. God bless us all and happy weekends. This is Alexi from Davao City, Philippines.